Hi guys, I'm Abby. And I've been walking for a while. Ow. I walked up a really steep hill and it was awful. Oh my god. But I did make a different video that was like 60 minutes long. Then it stopped recording. I was like, oh no. So I didn't get that part. But so yeah. Okay. Are you recording now? Yes, okay. Alright, so I'm making my way back to my house. But first we need to stop at the store and get some stuff because let me make sure I have. Oh, thank you. It's all sweaty. Wait, I'm not actually joking, guys. I'm gonna put money inside my phone case so I don't lose it. But it's been a wild journey so far. I guess you guys are just coming to the store with me. But yeah, okay, so you guys are gonna come to the store with me, and then we're gonna go home. And I'll explain to you what exactly happened. I'll explain to you what exactly happened now. So we don't have to do that. But basically, what happened was, I started walking from my house, came all the way up to here, or the church, and went down, and then all the way down. Then I went like over, I went to the left and to the left again, at the end of like 3 blocks. And then, I went up a little, and then I was confused because, like, there was people playing basketball, so I'm like, okay, let's go down this street. So, there was like 3 little kids and 1 older kid, and the older kid said, hey, I like a nice phone. And then they all like, where'd you get it? I'm like, I don't know where I got it, but I wasn't gonna tell him, so I didn't. So I just kept walking. I didn't talk to them at all. It probably was mean, but I didn't want to. So I went all the way there. So yeah, this was a weird journey so far. Oh, and that steep hill, guys, that was awful. Like seriously. Never to go there again. I'm not there. When I get home, I'm gonna do absolutely nothing. Because honestly, I'm so tired. Alright. So, I'm gonna get to the end of this block, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys again. Yeah. Bye! Alright, so I'm gonna keep talking because I don't want this video to be too short. It's gonna be shorter because I lost all the footage, which, by the way, was awful. I literally started at my house and then continued all the way here. But it was awful when I lost it. I was so bad. But right now, I'm just recording from when I got up to now until I get home. And when I get in the door and stuff. But right now, I'm just gonna go to the store. So, yeah. What else? My legs really hurt. I've been walking. Dude, that steep hill killed me. Seriously, though. It was so steep. It wasn't on like a 90-degree angle. It was pretty close to it. It was awful. Oh my god. Alright. I know where not to go at least. Alright. Now, I'm just gonna go across this road and we'll be closer to home. I still feel like it's awful. Like, I know not to ever feel that again. Or if I do, it'll just be very young. But I've heard a lot. And I do get a lot of exercise out of it. But it's honestly not worth it. Oh. Okay, hold on. It's hard to take off hair with one hand. Alright, so I'm just gonna make sure. Alright, so let's go. Ow! This don't really hurt. It's freaking awful. But yeah, guys, I am so mad that I lost all that footage. It's alright, because that's the worst thing that could happen, but definitely wasn't a good thing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna walk to the store. I'm still gonna talk to you guys, but just gonna walk to the store and then we're gonna go home. Oh my god, that was awful. That steep. I don't even know why or what hill it was. It was just, it was so steep. It burned all my energy. Oh, my hair. It actually goes over the window. Yeah. So, I'm getting there. Yeah. My exercise right now, is going to the gym. Well, no. I want to go to the gym. I meant that's not my exercise. I was gonna say I don't go to the gym, but I said that I. So I take usually like an hour-minute walk or an hour walk every day because I am trying to get skinnier. It's tough though. My body doesn't want to get skinnier. But I'm trying to rush. I'm trying to force it on my body, but it's hard. And also like the motivation you need. It sucks sometimes. And I'm drifting over. Why? So, but I haven't stopped walking yet. Like, I've actually been walking for like the past hour or so. That's okay, because it was an interesting journey. Would I do it again? Yes. Would I go that same exact way again? Probably not. Also, I said in the other video that I made, I'm sorry it's so bright. It really is bright out here. I just really needed to make a video. Also, I didn't intend for it to be outside. It's kind of just how it worked out. But it's okay, because I need to work for it. So, see you guys at the store. We're close to it. Alright, so guys, I am so tempted just to go home. But I can't. I need to get my dad's stuff. But it's exhausting. Alright, so we have the rest of my walk to go to the store. But I'm gonna be going home, so like I don't want to walk anymore. So I say I got a pretty good workout today. I really am trying to get skinnier. I think probably lost about almost close to a pound today. If I did, that's great for me, but if I didn't, I'd be really upset. So we gotta go down there, and it's gonna be a tough job. Also, our police station is right there. It's cool though. We have a bank over here too. We have everything. That means we don't really have like a lot of houses on our block, which I guess sometimes is good, but I don't know. I feel weird with like a police station and a bank. Like my house is literally right next to the bank, so it's kind of weird having a bank like next to your house. But I guess it's not that bad. I don't know why I'm not sweating. Like I should be sweating. But I'm not, but I guess it's okay. I need a drink. I'm almost to the place for the store. So I'm gonna go there and get what I need. And you're gonna watch me do it because I need some type of video. It's really, I'm hot. No, not like temperature wise. You know, so many guys do talk or tell me that. Like I say, I'm hot. They're like, yes you are, or like, no you're not. I'm like, why guys? Why? But regardless, I don't worry about them. Pretty interesting. Oh yeah, also, there's a hotel right there, which is also on my block. We have like everything on the block. So, I'm gonna... So, I made it to the store. Literally just been talking. There's a Lowe's across the highway. We have 17 right next to us, so yeah. So that's interesting. But what are you gonna do, right? I'm about to fall off this thing. Sorry. Oh, I'm falling. Okay, forget it. So I'm over here. I'm definitely, by far, getting a drink. I can't. I totally forgot what I was getting. Actually, no, I didn't. But I'm going to be back when I get into the store. So, bye. Alright, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna keep it a little quiet because we're gonna start and speed. Yeah, so I'm gonna get what my dad wants. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put you on the audio list like that. I desperately need a drink. So I'm gonna get a drink. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna grab yet. I don't know what I'm getting, but so yeah. I know this song now. Oh no. What is this? What? Tangerine citrus. What is it? Newer brew formula. I don't know what this is, so I'm not gonna get this. I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts. Oh shit. Yeah, this is slippery because sorry guys. Alright, so I might just get one of these because we're gonna be home or I'm gonna be home soon, so yeah. I'm gonna go. I could get one or two. I'm gonna stick with this. So yeah, I'm gonna go pay for this and I'll be right back. Okay? Alright, so I got my stuff. Oh my god. It's bad, like I'm so thirsty, so I'm gonna open my drink because I got to. I'm so thirsty. Alright, so I opened it. Oh, it tastes so good. Alright, so I got the Gimby pink grapefruit. Actually, I was gonna grab a milkshake, but I decided against it because I'm trying to stay a little healthier, and this is way healthier for you. It's 5 calories per can, and the ice cream is probably like 200 something a can. A can. Ice cream doesn't come in cans. I meant to the cup. So I decided to get this. And there's 0 fat on here in here, so thought it was the healthier choice. So I decided to go with this because I need this drink, but I wanted to be a little healthier about it. I'm like, I've cooled down a little, but it's still pretty warm. At least I know that He's so good. Alright. So I'm officially on my way home. And I'm probably gonna just keep that the best because this is hard. I'm very happy that I was able to get something too. So I'll probably show you the bank before I get home, and yeah. So um